baked ricotta. Gotta get some cheese here. Alright, we're gonna make some baked cheese appetizer. I'm gonna make a baked ricotta appetizer. So you want to get yourself some nice cheese like this, some Parmesan, an olive oil, and some oregano. Those are your basic ingredients. So let's preheat that oven to 400 degrees and let's go ahead and get started. Let's get ourselves 2 cups of the ricotta cheese. Squeeze that in there like that. Yep, that's 1. 2. Doing good so far. I'm gonna get some oregano. I'm gonna get like a tablespoon of this stuff. You never have too much oregano. Get a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Toss that in there like that. And get about a tablespoon of olive oil. Or 2. And let's go ahead and give that a stir. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you mix all those flavors together nice. Alright, so it's nice and mixed up good. We're going to put a little dash of salt. We're good there. Get yourself a nice glass dish or stoneware, because it's going to go in the oven. It's going to be a little hot. All right. Put that in there for about 15 minutes.